I have the legendary Alexander Mcqueen. This is Open Me. And it's just the return slip. Okay, so we put that back. Alright, I am so excited. Hey everybody, it's your girl Amber Ashli. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, by the title, you know we're going to look at some items that I got from Wear Wardrobe. This is another site that's similar to Rent the Runway, but the difference is you have to choose your dates that you're going to rent the only the accessories, but they also have clothes that you're going to get your garments, and then you would book that reserve, and then you would purchase depending on the price. But these items are not from like a warehouse that has been, you know, sorted through and then they look to see if it's, you know, good. These are from other people. So that's pretty exciting. And again, I'm all about sustainable fashion at this stage of the game. So I just trying to utilize platforms that aid in that direction. So Wear Wardrobe is another platform that does so. And this is the box that I got. As you can see, I really like this quote that they have. Stop everyone in their tracks, catch their eye, get the job, leave your mark, do it for no reason, do it to celebrate, do it to shine, and do it for you. So I think this is a great message, you know. So on the I didn't finish. So on the occasion, let us figure out the rest. So I think that's a great message, and that's my little fan here. I'm always hot. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna have this on. So let's just look to see what I got. I'm excited. All right, this is huge. I might have to stand up. Alright, so this is how it comes in the box. And this is a bag. Whoa. And they're all in separate bags. So this is their bag that you get. And I got 4 items, so they're all separated. Last but not least. Alright, so we'll start. I'll open up all of these, okay? And I'll come back. Okay, so the total amount for my rental was $115.90, and I have a 4-day rental period from November 6th to the 9th. Today is the 5th, so I received this yesterday, but I wasn't able to pick it up from the mailroom until today. So you get a 2-day, I would say, grace before your actual rental period starts. So I have my first bag. I'm going to switch the camera, but I just wanted to say that real fast, and I'll switch it back. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the first bag. It is from Prada, as you can see. And it is this beautiful purple velour color. As you can see, the texture. And the way you open it is you just push it in. And then it has the flap. And then inside, it has a zipper. And then the tag for Rent the Runway. Wear Wardrobe. And then it just has it here. So again, all these items are like from other people's closets. It's not from a showroom, not from a warehouse like Rent the Runway, which is based on your zip code. So you have everything here. And I love this chain detail as well. So that's the first bag. And this was $37.69 to rent for 4 days. Second bag is from Floral, and this was $18.94. This is a Metropolis Floral Mini Crossbody bag. And again, I love the fact that it has all these well, it's not patches, but these flower details on the outside. And then it has the lock to open it. And then as you can see inside, I believe they're gonna have their tag, but no, they don't have their tag, but oh, it's in here. So, but I love this detail. I love the bag. It's very cute. And this chain detail here. Oh, I guess there's mark here. But this is from Floral. It's that bag. So the next bag is from Mcqueen. And I've been wanting to get a bag from Mcqueen for a while now. I actually am going to buy a bag, but I wanted to actually like feel, you know, the texture of it, because I've been looking for a long time on another app that I'll be talking about soon. So this is the white Prism belt bag. This was $24.19 to rent for 4 days. And as you can see, it has the zipper detail and then the tag inside. I really like this lining detail. As you can see, it's their print again. And then the belt has like this stainless steel mirrored detail. And over here, the clasp. So this is really cute, you know, a nice little waist bag. Or I know the trend, well, the trend was wearing it across your body, but I love this. And the texture is it's very light. So, I think if you like get a mark on here, you can easily like wipe it down. So that's that bag. Then last but not least, I have the legendary Alexander McQueen. This is a clutch, and I love this pattern again with the floral and this like orange detail with the colors. Same way on the back. It's very, very pretty. And this snaps over. It's not actually a snap, it's magnetic. So this, you can open this up. But why would you? Because I like the way it goes like that, right? Now I'll just show you the inside. And this is the inside. I just wanted to show you guys. So alright, so those are the 4 bags. As you can see, Alexander McQueen, which again, I love this clutch. It's so cute. You can wear it with like a little, you know, date night, or you can wear it with your friends going out to brunch or anything. This waist bag, something to wear with like a training set or going to the airport or just running errands. I think this is cute. And then I got the Floral bag. Again, very cute to wear a date night or just like chilling with friends. I might wear this one today, actually. So I love this one. And then last but not least, you got the Prada. You can wear this at any point, any bag, maybe a nice winter bubble coat. This would be cute. This feels very like not very heavy, but a little heavy. But I think it's because of the rope chain. That doesn't make any sense. Because of the latch here. So yeah, this is cute. All right, so if you're interested, you can earn $25 off your first order, and I also get $25. So yes, you get $25 off your first order, and I'll get $25 off my next order if I use it for a credit. I basically just get a $25 credit. And then you can do the same thing with like your friends. You'll get an invite link and you'll be able to share. So definitely check the description box below to use that link if you're interested to get your own bags. Again, they have garments, they have a bunch of different items, but it's not from your zip code area, so it's from other people. And it looks like people keep their stuff in like pristine condition. I can't say like any of this looks bad. I think they kind of overdid it with the shipping and packaging. They could have easily put these in smaller packages because that box was huge. I didn't think I was going to get this big box, but for conservative purposes, I think it could have been smaller packages. But overall, like I said, it came 2 days early, so you get that 2-day grace, and then you have the 4-day rental, which I did. They also have, you can increase your rental, so, you know, you can do, let's see, so you can do 4 days, 10 days, or 20 days. And again, each price, the price varies per the product. So like, again, they're all different. But I think it's pretty cool. You know, a lot of our stuff just sits in the closet. I know mine does. And I end up donating or giving away a lot of stuff like at the end or when I'm just tired of looking at it. So I think it's more sustainable to do this method. That way you're helping the planet and you're being environmentally sound. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Well, again, you know, I always do this at the end. Which one was your favorite? Comment down below. And let me know if you like any of these for yourselves. All right, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great evening, afternoon, or morning, wherever you are. And stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. All right.